2016 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, rear window defroster, compass, security system, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, trip computer, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.